Hi guys, my name is Srikar and welcome back to Let Us Study channel. Today I am going to teach coding and decoding part 2. Coming to the topics of today are number and symbol coding, matrix coding and substitution coding. Here in example 1 it is based on number coding. If mission is coded as 19, 7, 9, 14, 15, 20, 11. Then how can you code danger? You may observe the options on the screen. Coming to the answer. Likewise, in danger, D's position is 4, A's position is 1, N's position is 14, G position is 7, E position is 5 and R's position is 18. So we should add 6 to all these numbers, which is 4 plus 6, 1 plus 6, 14 plus 6, 7 plus 6, 5 plus 6 and 18 plus 6, which gives the answer as 10, 7, 20, 13, 11, 24. So the answer for example 1 is option C. Coming to example 2, if rain is coded as 8, %, 6 and more is coded as 7, #8, yet, then how can you code remain? Here we should take the clues from the given words coded form, which is RAIN is coded as 8, %, 6 and more 7, #8, yet. So here you may observe clearly that R is coded as 8, A is coded as $, I is coded as %, and N is coded as 6. Likewise, in the word more, M is coded as 7, O is coded as #, R is coded as 8, and E is coded as 8. So by these clues, you may find the answer for remain, which is R represents 8, E represents 8, M represents 7, A represents $, I represents %, and N represents 6. So the correct option we can take is option D, which is 8, yet, 7, $, %, 6. Now let us see an type of matrix coding. This is an example 3 based on matrix coding. How can be east numbered according to the table? According to most of you, it is the easiest question. But in matrix coding, each letter can be coded in different forms. Here I can code E as 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 4, 4. And likewise, I can also code AST in 5 different forms. You may observe that on the screen. So by getting all the 5 forms for each letter, you have to check the options, because in this matrix coding, option plays an important role. By options, you may decide which is the correct answer. Here I am having an common numbers 13, 12, 14, 10, which are also present in options as well as in the 5 forms for each of the letter. So coming to the example 4, which is the easiest method, substitution method. Here you may observe the question, who will teach in a class if cook is called as butler, butler is called as manager, manager is called as teacher, and teacher is called as clerk. You may see the options cook, butler, clerk, teacher. All of you may answer this question within a few seconds. Answer is clerk, because and teacher teaches in a class, but here teacher is called as clerk. So you have to take the answer clerk teaches in a class. So the option C is correct, which is clerk. Now let's move to some practice questions. Here the practice questions are also based on number symbol coding, matrix coding and substitution coding. They will be in order. First the question will be number coding, second symbol, next matrix, and the last question will be about substitution coding. Now let us see some practice questions. The first practice question is, if E is coded as 5 and pen is coded as 35, then how can be page coded? I can give you 20 seconds of time to solve the question. Now coming to the answer for practice question 1, here clearly by putting A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to 3, D equals to 4, E equals to 5 and so on, you can observe that E is numbered as 5. So by this way you will get that P can be noted as 16 and N is noted as 14. So by adding 16 plus 14 plus 5, you will get the answer as 35. So you will get the coded form of pen as 35. And for page, P 16, A 1, G 7 and E 5. So by adding 16 plus 1 plus 7 plus 5, you will get the answer as 29, which is option C. Now let us see practice question 2. If request is coded as S2R 52TU, then how can you code acid? You may see the options on the screen and I will give you 20 seconds of time to solve the question. Now coming to the answer for practice question 2, here you can observe clearly that A, E, I, O, U, which are vowels, are coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively, and each of the consonants in the word are moved one step forward to give the corresponding letter of the code, which means if you take an consonant B, you have to move it one step, which is you have to code it as C. So this is the meaning of second point. So according to these points, you can answer acid as 1D3E because A is an first vowel, so 1. C is an consonant, so you have to code it as D. I is an vowel, which is third vowel, so 3. And D is an consonant, so you have to code it as E. So you will get the answer for practice question 2 is 1D3E. But in the options it is not there. So you have to take it as option D, which is none of these. Now coming to practice question 3, how can be board coded according to the table? You may observe the options on the screen and I may give you 20 seconds of time to solve the question. Coming to the answer for practice question 3, here B can be coded in 5 different forms, O can be coded as 5 different forms, I can be coded as 5 different forms, R can be coded as 1 different form and D can be coded as 5 different forms. So you have to take any one common form which is there in option. So I told you in example that Here, the options play a major role in matrix coding. So you have to check the options and you have to take all the forms which can be formed for one letter and you have to match with options. So if you match it, you will get the option as option A, which is 0201 2142 and 41. Now coming to practice question 4, if diamond is called as gold, gold is called as silver, silver is called as ruby and ruby is called as emerald, then which is the cheapest jewel in following options? You may see the options on the screen and I will give you 20 seconds of time to solve the question. Now, coming to answer for practice question 4, we know that silver is the cheapest jewel. But in the question, they gave that silver is called as ruby. So, according to the question, we have to take the cheapest jewel is ruby. So, the correct option we can take is option C, which is ruby. If you like my explanation, please like, share, and subscribe.